Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know the lighting is intense right now. I have these tire twisting. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I ended up wanting to try something new because, like, you know, on TikTok and Instagram, the girlies are always onto new things. So I ended up getting me some hair here. And yes, it is some color, so I'm excited about that. But this is by Crochet Braids. So these are supposed to be different because these are handmade. So the hair is supposed to be of better quality. You can reuse it. It just looks way better like natural hair. So I'm really excited about this. And again, we got some color. So I'm going to wash my hair because I am totally due for a wash. And then I will come back and show you guys my struggle braid pattern. Wish me luck. Next few clips are going to show my quote-unquote braiding pattern, and I am like still a novice at this, so please, you know, give me a little grace. But basically what I'm doing is the illusion method, where it looks like you have individuals both in the front and also in the back. Again, I was doing this with my eyes in front of me, so just, you know, give me a little bit of grace. But this is essentially what I came up with. I cannot cornrow. I essentially learned how to cornrow today, and I did all that just for that method right there, so that if I decide that I do want to wear my twists up, I can, and it can give me that ponytail without me having to worry about what the back looks like. At this point in time, I'm just taking the excess of my hair, or the remainder ends, whatever you want to call it, and just intertwining it into the scalp or into the root. I love passion twists or any type of protective style because it allows me to just not have to deal with my hair, and it could just have that TLC, it just being braided up and left alone. And as I get older, I realize that's what my hair likes. So at this point, you can see those struggle cornrows there. I'm proud of myself though, because I literally just learned how to do this like right before I did it. I had to watch a tutorial and everything, but this is going to get the job done, and that's essentially what my wild crazy braid pattern looks like. So now we are going to enter in or introduce the star of the show, and that would be the twisted hair. The color is gorgeous. It is like the ombre, the gorgeous, the transition, the gorgeous. That's all I have to say. It's just so pretty, and you guys can see that these twists are pre-looped. I am just forever grateful to whomever, if it's the shop owner, if it's somebody else who actually sat there and pre-twisted each of these, and they are so small it literally looks just like, you know, a tress or whatever you would install or grow out of your scalp. Like, I just cannot get over the fact that they are so realistic. So now I'm just going to continue, you know, putting them in all over. I'm going to put them on the anchor braid there. I'm also going to put them on those portions that I pre-sectioned off for the invisible or illusion method. And I also wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like after applying a bit of gel to it. Now, call me crazy, but the hair itself, I feel like it does look amazing on its own. But once you put a little bit of gel on it, I just feel like it just springs back to life, or it just springs back and it just gives that feel of natural hair. It makes the color look a little bit more bold. Again, I could be crazy, I don't know. And I'm sticking to it. You don't have to do it, it's solely optional, but I just feel like it just made the curls look so much better when I did add gel to it. So this is how the hair looks after installing one pack, and mind you, one pack does include 60 twists. I like to know exactly what I'm getting into when I am making purchases, so I just added a few references so you guys can see what, you know, the packs look like. This is after installing the second pack, and I was so sure that I would be done with the third pack, but you will see in the coming video that I had that issue where, because I didn't really, I guess, premeditate this braid pattern to the best of my abilities, I ended up needing a fourth pack just to cover up that back area, so that when I do pull my hair up in a bun, you will not be able to see that gigantic anchor braid. But again, we're gonna give Nelly grace because this is her first time learning how to cornrow. So again, for those of you that want visual representations of what each pack looks like installed, here you are. So now we are at 4 bundles, and I just wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like before I cut the hair. Again, this hair is 12 inches, but I definitely love a shortcut. So at this point in time, I'm just cutting a few layers into the hair just so it could frame my face, because again, you cannot tell me that this hair does not look natural. The sun is doing it a little bit of justice on the areas where it's hitting it, but it just looks so pretty. It just looks so realistic, and I legit just don't know what else to say. Like, it's giving Nelly's golden copper vibes from like way back when I used to dye my hair. Like the curls are, I don't know what else to say, y'all. I'm super, super in love with how this came out. So now I'm gonna let Nelly from the future take it away for the final review. So the first thing I want to talk about is the quality of the hair, and the quality is amazing. The color that I have here is Ombré Caramel. It is in a medium length, which is about 12 inches, and I got a bundle pack here. This looks like wash and go. It's absolutely giving natural texture, wash and go, literally just wet in the shower, threw some gel in it, I'm gone. So the biggest thing that really stood out to me is the fact that this hair is handmade. So that means, yes, somebody actually sat here and twisted this hair. And the reason why I feel like that does add to the uniqueness factor of the hair is because you can literally see, like, all of these twists that you can take apart, you can see they all have a unique appearance to them, especially down to the actual loop itself. You can tell somebody actually made this, and I just feel like that definitely helps to add to that natural looking feel. Well, definitely look and feel, because even touching the hair, I swear to you, could not tell me that this is not just a regular wash and go with my curls, because this is exactly how they would feel. I think the color is the biggest thing for me, just because, like, I'm used to that 1B, you know, I'm a very 1B born kind of girl. That's all I go for is just black, but switch it up and add something different. So I did get a nice pop of color. And for my OGs who are on the channel, you guys remember when I dyed my hair the golden copper? This is absolutely giving golden copper vibes. I honestly thought I would never be able to get that, you know, look again, but dreams do come true. Now, when it comes to care maintenance, they say that the hair is definitely waterproof or water friendly. It's sweat friendly. You can wash it as many times as you need to. You can put it up. You don't have to worry about it tangling or doing anything crazy, but it really does not require a lot of maintenance. And that's the biggest thing that I love, because at this point in time, at my big age, I just need something that is quick, easy for me to come in, go, get out the door. That's it. So the last thing that we're going to talk about is the price tag of this hair, and I will say that this is the most expensive crochet hair that I have ever purchased in my entire life. But the price tag for this hair was $179 for a pack of 5, and that is the bundle pack, as I had mentioned. I absolutely clutched my invisible pearls when I saw that. I was like, oh Lord, this is expensive. But I mean, when we're talking about the quality and just, girl, look at the hair, okay? Do you see the hair? But you know me, I'm always good for a coupon code. So I was able to reduce mine to, or my order to, $144.24. You know, I like me a good discount. Even without the discount, it still is pretty pricey, but I will say that considering the quality of the hair and how nice it looks, I'm really hoping that I'm also going to get, you know, the longevity that was promised. Let's talk about it being lightweight for one. This hair is so freaking lightweight. I kid you not, when I originally got my package, right? Because it was shipped via USPS in this box, and I picked it up and I was like, did I get scammed? There's no way that there's a whole bundle pack in here. When I tell you how light this box was, it was so freaking light. It was crazy light. And now the shipping speed was also something else that I definitely felt was worth mentioning. I placed my order late Wednesday evening and I received my order Saturday morning, ready for the install, ready for me to have a very funky weekend. So I definitely appreciated that. The hair is gorgeous. I cannot say that enough. The hair is gorgeous. It has so much versatility. For me, the biggest thing is that it's so lightweight and it looks so natural. Like, you cannot tell me this hair is not growing out of my scalp. So I would highly recommend that you guys check out Crochet Braids Plus, and they have tons of other colors too. Did I mention that? As you can see here, the model is wearing a beautiful red color there. They have so many different colors, so I'm gonna wear it for about 4 weeks, so that would include me washing the hair, styling the hair. I will definitely keep you guys posted, but for the most part, you definitely have my blessing, for sure, for sure. I will see if maybe I could possibly get a collab going with Crochet Braids Plus, possibly see if we could partner on some things, and maybe I can give you guys some more colors. But I would definitely recommend you guys checking them out. Highly recommend it, and I will keep you guys updated on how everything goes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.